Now, here's how it works if you want to turn on or off the safe mode on the Samsung phone. So let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So as you can see, when I'm inside of my home screen or doing whatever on my phone, I can hold it down on the power button, which gives me the ability to power it off, restart, and so on. But if you just hold it down on the power button instead of tapping on it, right? You don't tap once, but instead you hold down on it for quite a while now, and you will have the ability to see some more options. So you can see that the safe mode appears an icon which allows me to tap it again to confirm it, right? So you can see I can tap again to restart your phone in the safe mode. So the downloaded apps will temporarily be disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. So when you tap on this, you kind of confirm it and it goes through it. It depends on what the goal is for doing this in the first place. But if you need to achieve some sort of a goal with it or something, then this is a nice way to restart the device and make it come back to the normal, or to get to the safe mode and then make it come back to the normal state. And if you are inside of the safe mode already, you have the ability to get outside of it by doing a simple restart, right? So you don't really have to do anything groundbreaking or special. You just restarted the phone back again and it should be in the normal state. So that's what you really have the ability to do. By the way, obviously you can always see if you are in the safe mode, but by having the little icon right there. But that's essentially everything that I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.